Hey, what's up, guys? This is a Tame That's Snow Kitty Screencast, and this is lesson number 2, Essential Apps. And so we're going to be talking about quickly a few of the apps that I think are important to download that don't come with your Mac. Number 1 is an alternate browser. Safari is the default web browser for Mac. I'm using it right now. It's a great all-around browser. However, I recommend Google Chrome as an alternate browser, so you can either try it out and see if you want to use it all the time, or I sometimes just use it for different aspects of the internet. I'm an interactive web designer, so it's got some features that are nice for that. Also, one of the extensions I use all the time for Mac called 1Password, I'll be talking about that in a sec, doesn't currently work with Chrome, so that's why I stick with Safari. So, is your alternate web browser Google Chrome? Fits the bill. The Mac doesn't ship with an Office suite or productivity suite. The guys at OpenOffice do a great job of providing a free open source version of all those things, a word processor, spreadsheet software, etc. So check that out if you're looking for a productivity suite. If you're looking to open files, unzip files, zip files, and RAR files and stuff, the Mac comes with a default application that's alright, but the Unarchiver is a free application, does things really well, so I definitely recommend you look into that. BitTorrent, for all you guys that use BitTorrent, Transmission is probably the best client for the Mac. It's really, there's a lot of them out there, but this one's really lightweight, it loads fast, it does its job, it's highly customizable if you're into that kind of thing. So check it out, Transmission. Alfred is a quick launch application, kind of like Spotlight that comes with your Mac, but it does a lot of things that Spotlight doesn't do, and it's really quick, it's really customizable. It's in the early stages right now, but I've used it since it came out, and it's just been an awesome application. So look into that one too. If you're into watching movies and stuff a lot, you notice the screen on the Mac dims to conserve power. And this little tiny application that sits up in your menu bar up here is called Caffeine. You just turn that on and your screen won't dim out, which is nice. Dropbox. So Dropbox is good if you have two computers, say one at work and one at home, or a laptop and a desktop, or if you want to share files with friends. You just set up an account, you got 2 GB of free storage, and you can just upload and share stuff with your friends and keep stuff in sync between your 2 computers. Really great application, actually. For all you guys that use Twitter, I'm a big Twitter fan. I use Tweety. It doesn't do everything that all those other ones do. You know, it doesn't post your status to Facebook, and you can't create all these different groups and stuff, but I'm a minimalistic guy, and it just fits the bill for me. Tweety 2 is coming out quick, so look out for that. It's a great Twitter client. I like it a lot. You control tunes. Now this basically puts media controls up in your menu bar, which is nice. It's nice having them on the keyboard too, but I like having them for mouse access nice and quick. Really customizable. You can pretty much configure it any way you want to. One of my favorite features about it is it's got kind of a scrolling ticker. So whatever song's playing, you can set the speed and what you want to show. It'll show basically the album and the artist and the song ticking across here, which is really nice. SMC fan control. This is for basically for notebook users, MacBook Pros. If your computer gets really hot, like mine does, SMC fan control is a good application to use to help it stay nice and cool. You can set the preferences for fan speeds and stuff like that. So that's been a lifesaver for me because my computer runs really hot, actually. So all those applications have been free. And I was trying to keep them all free, but there's 2 apps that I use every single day that I can't live without. And one's called Things, which is a productivity app, task manager, to-do manager. It does everything just really well. They've got high quality instructions on how to get started with it. They've actually got a Mac application, an iPhone application, and an iPad application. So it's a great application if you're looking to organize your life. Keeps me really organized. It's really great. Every day I use this. Basically, it allows you to come up with the most crazy passwords for any account, any login, anything, and then it just stores them. You go online, you give the keyboard shortcut, the 1Password lets you customize to be whatever you want, and it just logs you in. It's kind of hard to explain exactly what it does in this screencast, in this short little screencast, but I highly recommend 1Password. Go to their website, check it out, 30-day free trial. If you don't like it, I think it's 100% money-back guarantee, and it'll just make things so easy on the internet. Anyways, guys, that's been Tame That Snow Kitty lesson number 2, Essential Apps, and stay tuned for lesson 3. Take care.